Hi, Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys!
Today we're going to talk about our trip to Nassau, Bahamas on the Carnival Liberty.
Our 3-day cruise on the Carnival Liberty included one port stop, Nassau in the Bahamas. The port is still growing, so there is a lot of construction going on. Nassau is a popular port that typically will have 4 to 5 cruise ships there on any given day. In port with us this day was the Carnival Sunshine, the Freedom of the Seas by Royal Caribbean, and the Disney Dream. We've been to Nassau numerous times and had decided just to stay on the ship this time.
Yeah.
But we discovered...
There's a big but right here.
A big but. We discovered that the phone charger was missing. Someone had forgotten to put it in the luggage, or there was something more sinister going on.
I think there was something more sinister going on, to tell you the truth.
Someone may have removed
it
from our luggage. What do y'all think of that?
So we got off the ship. Our main goal was to find a phone charger.
Yes.
So we went and we were looking through all the typical shops there.
Nothing but souvenirs.
Nothing but souvenirs. So then we asked 3 different young ladies at 3 different shops to see if we got the same answer, of course, if anyone sold phone chargers. And they all said no, no one sells phone chargers. But all 3 young ladies said, we do have a local grocery store that's kind of like the island grocery store. I know they have phone chargers. If you want to go there, it's down the street about 3 blocks across from the Burger King. So we made our way there.
Yep.
So the girls gave us really good directions to get to the little store.
Yeah, I just followed my nose to Burger King. Burger King! I smell the onion rings are cooking. And so we found Bayside Food Store. That's the name of the little grocery store there. Just the locals use it.
It's the locals kind of grocery store. So they have a lot of stuff if you forgot anything on the ship. Like I needed a phone charger, so she made sure the phone charger fit my phone, and it was $6. And they have all kinds of stuff in there. And the locals, that's what they said is. So if you want anything off the line of souvenirs, head for the store. But right now during COVID, they are requiring you to wear a mask in the store. So just kind of keep that in mind.
As far as for accessibility on the island, if you're in a wheelchair or a scooter, you can get around. I was walking on my leg that day, but there were some wheelchairs out there. I have to tell you, it's pretty rough though. The roads are made out of stones and pavers and potholes. So it's going to be a little rough, but you can access the island.
It can be rough on the wheelchair as well, because there are a lot of dips and valleys, and some of the sidewalks have a lip that you can't, it's not like a ramp to get on and off the sidewalk, it's a lip.
There's a lip, yeah. Probably better if you have someone helping you in some of them places. To get around out there on your own in a wheelchair, it'd probably be a little rough.
And the streets are quite crowded.
Yes, they're very crowded, I thought. Keep in mind, it was 4 ships there. 4 ships there that day, big ships.
We've been to Nassau before when there were 5 ships in port.
Yes.
So it can be quite crowded.
Even more crowded than it was when we were there.
And it is a long walk from the ship to the shopping area.
Yeah, you get your steps in that day, that's
Yeah,
for sure,
you
if
sure
you're doing your
will.
little tidbit like I do.
Well, we hope that you've enjoyed our video on the special little find in Nassau.
Yes, how many people go to Nassau just to get a phone charger like we did? Thanks, dogs. Thanks, baby Enzo and Ringo.
So, remember, if you like our videos or our channel, we would love for you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's good for the channel and it helps other people find us as well. We want to thank you for watching the video today, and we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.